Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to RV Online class. Students, let's learn more about fractions. Here, I'll draw some shapes here. Yes, here I do the column, this total parts and fractions of shaded part, and here fractions of unshaded part. So, what we have to do is, we first I've drawn shapes here. We have to count the shapes. How many parts are there in this shape? You have to write here. Next one, fractions of shaded part. Let's count the parts, total number of parts in this first shape. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 parts are there in first shape. For this, I am shading this part only. How many parts I am shading? Only 1 part. Total number of parts here 4. How many parts I have shaded here? 1 part. Right? Like this fraction. What is the shaded part fraction here? That's 1/4. Next, fraction of unshaded part. Here, 2, 3, 4 are not shaded. No. Have you shown this? Total number of parts in denominator and total number of parts which are unshaded. How many unshaded parts are there here? 3. Do you understood? In this one, total 4 parts are there. I have shaded this first part. So we will write these 1/4. Unshaded part, 3 parts are there. I am writing here 3/4. Yes, let's move to the next shape. It's the second one. First part we have to do. Let's count how many total equal parts are there in this shape. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many parts are there? 5. Total parts 5. This is the first one shape and the second one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, total number of parts here 5. 5. How many parts are shaded? Here I am shading this 1 and 2. In these 5 parts, how many parts are shaded? 2 parts. How we can write this one? Yes, total number of parts comes in denominator and total number of shaded parts in the numerator. That is 2/5. Second one, fractions of unshaded part. How many unshaded parts are there here? 3, 4, 5 are unshaded parts. That's why 3/5. Are you following me? Total number of parts 5. Shaded parts here 2. Means 2/5 we are shaded in this second shape. And 3 are the unshaded parts. We are writing these 3/5. Next, third shape. Let's count how many parts are there in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of parts 6. Third one. Total parts 6. In the 6 parts, I am shading these 3 parts here. First, second, and third. 3 parts I am shading here. Have shown in fractions The fractions of shaded part is 3. That's why 3 by 6. 6 is the total number of parts and 3 is the how many parts we are shaded. It comes in numerator. Understood? Then fractions of unshaded parts. How many parts are unshaded here? It's 4, 5 and 6. How shows this? This is also 3 by 6. Means half of the shape we are shaded and half of the shape will unshaded parts. That's 3 by 6, 3 by 6. Okay. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many total parts are there? 7. 7. In this 7, I am shading all these 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many parts I am shaded here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's write about the fractions. Here, fractions of shaded parts. How many parts we are shaded? It's 5 by 7. Here, fractions of unshaded parts. It's 2 by 7. Okay. Next, fifth shape. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total parts 8. In these 8 parts, I'm shading the 7 parts. Means this one, this one, this one, these and these. We have shaded these 7 parts. Among 8 parts, we have shaded 7 parts. So, how we are writing fractions? 7 by 8. Yes, 7 by 8. The fractions of unshaded part is 1 part is not shaded. It's 1 by 8. In next shape, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts are there. Can shade 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Among 7, I am shading this. Among 9, I am shading 8 parts. How can we write? 8 by 9 is the shaded fraction. 8 by 9. Unshaded fraction is 1 by 9. Next, in this one, there are shapes are there. 10 equal parts are there. Let's count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total number of parts 10. In this, I am shading all these 9 boxes. I am shading these 9. Among 10, I am shading 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 parts I am shading here. How can I write these? It's 9 by 10. Okay, students, it's 9 by 10. Unshaded fraction, that's 1 by 10 is the unshaded fraction. Okay, students, do you got this one? Next, move to exercise that is 6C and also equal parts in collection. Let me divide the mangoes in 4 equal parts. I will eat only 1 by 4. Can you write this one? Yes, students. Here I am brought 8 mangoes here. I am taking 8 apples here. Eight apples are there. It can be, let's divide these apples in 4 equal parts. How can you divide it? 4 equal parts. This is 1 and 2, 3, 4. Yes, we are dividing this mangoes in 4 equal parts. This is 1 by 4. Yes, 4 equal parts means it's 1 by 4. How many number of apples we get each person? That is 2 apples. Can be divided into 4 members. Each member will get 2 apple. Yes, students, let's move towards the exercise that 6th C. Exercise 6C. It's page number 70. Page number 70. In this one, first main is write the fractions for the shaded parts in each. We are given some shaded parts. In this one, there are 4 shaded shapes are there. You can write the fractions of each. Yes, first main A1. In that one, they are given 6 equal parts in this rectangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are six parts are there in this one, and among 6 they are shaded 2 parts. Means this and this. Next B1. Triangle. One, two, three, four, 5 equal parts are there. In this one, they are shaded these 2 parts. Yes, this one and this one. Next, C1. We are given 5 circles and they are shaded 3 circles here. 1, 2, 3. D1 means semicircle is there in this one. Circle had divided to 4 equal parts. In this one, they are shaded. For these, we have to write the fractions for these shapes. Here, boxes are the given here. In this one, first we have to count the total number of shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 comes in the denominator. How many parts are shaded here? 1, 2. Means 2 by 6. In second shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there, which comes in the denominator. And how many parts they are shaded? 1, 2. That is 2 by 5. That is 2 by 5. In this third shape, C1, there how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles are there. This 5 comes the denominator, and what we have in the numerator? 1, 2, 3 means shaded part. That's 3 by 5 we get. Next one, how many parts are there in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. How many parts are there? Shaded 2 parts. That is 2 by 4 is the fraction. Yes. Understood? Copy this one. Second one. What is that? Divide the collection into 2 equal parts and write the number of objects in each part. Students, in A1, what they are given here? There are 12 balls are there. There are 12 balls are there. These balls can divided into 2 equal parts. Then how many numbers of objects we get in each part? It can be divided into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts means is considered as a whole 1 part. it can be divided into two parts. Yes, here we can divide it this 8, 12 by 2 means we get to the 6 object here. Objects are there, it can be divided into two equal parts. Then 12 is divided by 2, we get 6. 2 6 are 12. So we get the 6 number of object for each part. Yes, in this B1 some flowers are there given, 8 flowers they are given, can be divided into two equal parts means we get 4 object in each part. Yes students, let's move to the third one. Third one, divide the collection of 4 equal parts and write the number of objects in each part. In A1, they are given here 12 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 12 stars they are given here. This collection, we have to divide this collection into 4 equal parts and then write the number of objects in each part. We consider this whole one, we get 1 by 4. Then we have to write the number of objects. Means we have to count the total number of objects in this one and it can be divided into 4. Means we have to divide this 4 equal parts. That's why we have to divide this total number of objects by 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 number of objects are there. Can be divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. How many objects we get in each part? 3 objects. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts we are divided? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts we are divided these objects. So, how many objects we will get in each part? That is 3. B1 is same example is there. 4 honey bees are there. 4 honeybees can be divided into 4 equal parts. It's 4 by 4. We get 1 honeybee in each part. So, B1 answer is 1. Okay. Next, 4-1. Collection into 3 equal parts and write the number of objects in each part. 12 in 4-1, 8. 12 triangles they are given here. 12 triangles. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many triangles are there? 12 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It can be divided into 3 parts. Means we consider these whole object as a one can be divided into 3 equal parts. So how we get the objects in each equal part? Let's count the objects which we have. We have 12 objects. It can be divided into 3 equal parts, that is 12 by 3. 3 1 the 3 4 the 12. We get 4 objects in each part. 1 2 3 4. Make one group. 1 2 3 4. This is another one, and these 4 are in another group. So how many parts we have divided? 1 2 3 parts we are divided. Then how many objects are there in each part? 1 2 3 4. We have to write 4 in this box. Next in this B1, 15 squares they are given. It can be divided into 3 equal parts, mean 3 5s are 15. We get 5 squares in each part. B1 answer, B1 is 5. We get 5 objects in each part. Yes, students? Do you understood? How many parts we get? 5 parts in each part. Can divide it into 3 equal parts. Yes. Is it clear for you? In tomorrow class, we learn about the numerator and denominator. Thank you.